Now we will start English grammar, and in grammar we had completed till chapter number 13, and now we are going to start the chapter number 14, articles a, an, and the. About this article we had done in second standard also, so I hope all of you remember about this article. Now we will learn about this article something more. Use of a and an has a simple rule to follow. All we have to do is to listen to the phonic sounds. When a singular noun begins with a vowel a, e, I, o, u sound, we use an, and if the sound is that of a consonant, then we use a. So if any word is starting with a, e, I, o, u, we have to write an, and of course if it starts with vowel sound, then also we have to write an, and if it is a consonant word, then we will use a. Now let us see the examples for a and n. A letter, a boy, a banana, a uniform, an umbrella. See here it is given u is also vowel, but then moreover the sound of this word is a vowel sound. That is why we have to write here an umbrella. Here an honest girl. See here honest is H is not the vowel, but the pronunciation of this word is honest. We are not pronouncing as honest. So we are reading this word as honest. That is why we have to write here an honest girl, an aeroplane, an orange, an orange. So like this, these are the examples of a and an, and we will see the exercise. Fill in the blanks with a or n. Rahul asked for dash cup of milk. So, Rahul asked for a cup of milk. It takes dash hour to reach the school. It takes an hour. Why an? Because here the letter is H only, but its sound is R. So it is the vowel sound. That is why we will write here an R. If you add dash onion to the gravy, it tastes good. Onion, O is vowel. That is why we will write an. He lives in dash hut. We will write here A because this is consonant. Then mother gave me dash ice cream. Ice cream, I is vowel. We will write here N. He ate dash egg and dash toast for breakfast. Egg, E is vowel. That is why we will write here N, and a toast, T is consonant, not vowel. That is why we have written A. I decided to go for dash movie. So M is consonant. That is why we had written A. I bought dash notebook from the market. Notebook, N is consonant. So we will write A. So I hope all of you understood about A or N. Now we will see the next topic. Let's pronounce the following: uniform, European, unicorn. All these words begin with the phonic sound U, which is a consonant sound. Hence we say a uniform, a European, a unicorn. ये जो वर्ड्स है यूनिफॉर्म, यूरोपियन, यूनिकॉर्न, तो ये वर्ड में फर्स्ट लेटर यहाँ पर यू है, ये ई है और ये भी यू है, तो ये तो तीनों वोवेल ही है, पर हम उसके आगे एन नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि उसका जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है वो वोवेल साउंड नहीं है, इसीलिए हम इसके आगे अ लिखेंगे, अ यूनिफॉर्म, अ यूरोपियन एंड अ यूनिकॉर्न. Understood? Now some other words. Honor, honest. Both these words begin with the phonic sound O, A vowel sound. Hence we say an honest man. It's an honor because H is silent in these words. So here these words are given. The sound of that words are vowel sound. ये जो दोनों वर्ड है उनके प्रोनाउंसिएशन वोवेल साउंड से है, इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे भले ही यहाँ पे एच लिखा है दोनों वर्ड्स में, पर उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन वोवेल साउंड है, इसीलिए हम दोनों वर्ड के आगे एन का यूज करेंगे. A and N are all indefinite articles. It means A and N are used when we do not talk about a particular person, place or thing. और A और N ऐसे आर्टिकल है कि इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स है, मतलब कोई भी हम पर्टिकुलर कोई पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग के बारे में अगर नहीं लिख रहे हैं तब हम ये A और N का यूज करेंगे. One example is given here. He lives in a city. तो वो कोई सिटी में रहता है, पर कौन सा सिटी वो यहाँ पर लिखा नहीं है, इसीलिए हम सिटी के आगे आर्टिकल लिखेंगे A. Can one guess about which city the sentence is? हमें ये क्या सेंटेंस से पता चलता है कि वो कौन से सिटी का नाम है कि कौन से सिटी की बात हो रही है? No, it is not clear at all. वो हमें यहाँ पर क्लियरली लिखा नहीं है. Therefore we use A. इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे A यूज करेंगे. So now all of you understood about the article A and N. Whenever vowel sound is there or vowels are there, we will write N. Otherwise we will write A. Now we will see the third article, the. The is a indefinite article. We use the when we refer to a particular person, thing or place. In short, we are clear about the person, place or thing. किसी भी हमें पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, थिंग और प्लेस के बारे में बताना है तो उसके लिए हम द आर्टिकल का यूज करेंगे. Examples are here. He lives in the city of Agra. So in this sentence we can see the information about city, that is Agra. जो आगरा सिटी है उसके बारे में बताया है. So we know about the city, that is why we will write here the. The hospital is near our house. So here the hospital, which hospital, that is near our house, that is why we will write the. So I hope all of you understood about the. Now we will do the exercise with all the three articles A and N, the. Ankur borrowed dash red polo neck shirt we bought yesterday. So here are the red polo neck shirt. It is clear about the shirt, that is why it is written the. I like to take dash muffin and dash fruits. So here there is no information about which muffin or which fruit, that is why here is written a. It is dash honor to be dash monitor of the class. It is an honor because the sound is vowel sound. And the monitor of the class, that is why we have to write here the. I found dash pen I lost yesterday. जो पेन कल खो गई थी वो मुझे मिल गई. So the. Surya is dash player. Here there is no information about the player, that which player he is. That is why we will write a player. Now we will see understanding the use of the. The is not used before proper nouns. Proper noun के आगे कभी भी the का use नहीं होता है. Means for example, if I am say Meena, so we will not write the Meena. Rohan, we will not write the Rohan. So it is not used before proper nouns. The is used before the names of the mountain ranges, rivers and oceans. Here are the example. The Himalayas. Himalayas is also a name, but it is the name of the mountain. That is why we have to write the Ganga. Ganga is the name of the river. That is why we will write the Ganga. The Indian Ocean. Then we also use the before certain religious books, unique things and monuments. The Taj Mahal, the Sun, the Qutub Minar. So these are the things before its name we are using the. Now we will see the exercise for the articles a and the. Dash Pacific Ocean has dash huge variety of fishes. So here the Pacific Ocean is written. It is the name of the sea. That is why we have to write the. Now huge variety. Huge is not a vowel. So we have to write here a. Give me dash apple from the basket. Apple A is there. Vowel is there. We will write N. Dash neem tree is very useful. Here is the given name of the tree, that is neem. That is why we have to write the neem tree. Taj Mahal is in Agra. Taj Mahal is a monument. That is why we will write the. Oxford Dictionary is very useful to me. This is the name of the dictionary. So that is why we will write the particular name of the dictionary is given. That is why we have to write the. Girl lives near my house. Here there is no information about a girl. So we will write A. Bird flew over the sea. Which bird, that we don't know. That is why we will write A. School is closed for Holi. For the school we will write the school is closed for Holi. So now I think all of you understood about the articles a and the. So last exercise that is in paragraph form, that you will do by yourself, and you have to write the proper articles at the proper place. And I hope all of you can do this. I am sending the answer in Teno, and afterward you can check whether it is correct or not. Okay. And now again I am just revise all the articles. We use a before a word that begins with a consonant sound. कोई भी वर्ड का कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है तो हम ए यूज करेंगे. वी यूज एन बिफोर अ वर्ड दैट बिगिंस विथ अ वोवेल साउंड. अगर वोवेल साउंड है वो वर्ड का तो हम एन लिखेंगे. ए और एन इज यूज फॉर एनी सिंगुलर पर्सन और थिंग. ए और एन ऐसे आर्टिकल है जो हम सिंगुलर पर्सन और थिंग के बारे में बताते हैं, तो उसके लिए आगे ए और एन लिखते हैं. The is used for a particular person, thing, place or animal. So the is a definite article, और वो अगर हम किसी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस और थिंग के बारे में अगर बताते हैं तो उसके लिए the का यूज करते हैं. So now I hope all of you understood about the articles and all doubts will be clear, and you have to do this exercise D by yourself, and I will send the answer in the Teno. Thank you and have a nice day.